Other Select and Total Parts Pro, today with 2024 Greatwall Canon Ute, stock number 7037, strength of the knife 2020 to the current shape. Is an NPW 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, big plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4D 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, front bonnet, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,